In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a GIF in GIMP fast. Whether you're new to GIMP or just need a simple refresher, this guide will walk you through the process, step by step, in just about 5 minutes. So, let's dive right in. First, we need to launch GIMP. Once it's open, you'll find the File menu at the top left of your screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down options, go to Open as Layers. This is your gateway to importing all the images that will make up the frames of your GIF. When selecting images, remember that each image will become a separate frame in your animation. Ensure you have them ready and organized to make this process smoother. Now, with your layers all set, it's time to get a glimpse of how your GIF will look. Navigate to the top menu once again, but this time, click on Filters. Scroll down to find the Animation option, and then select Playback. This handy feature allows you to preview your GIF in motion, letting you see how each frame transitions to the next. It's a great moment to make sure everything looks just how you imagined. Once you're satisfied with your preview, we embark on the export process. Head back to the File menu, and this time, choose Export As. You'll be prompted to pick a name for your file. Remember to end the file name with GIF. This is crucial as it tells your computer that the file should be saved in GIF format. With your file name set, you will see some export options. Here's where it gets interesting. You'll want to check the box that says As Animation, which is essentially telling GIMP to save this project as an animated file rather than a static image. Next, you'll come to a field labeled Frame Delay. This setting dictates how long each frame will be displayed during the playback, measured in milliseconds. A common starting point is around 100 milliseconds for a snappy, smooth animation. However, feel free to adjust based on your project's specific needs. Once you've set your preferences, click Export, and GIMP will work its magic. Your GIF is now ready for sharing, posting, or just personal enjoyment. And there you have it. A simple, straightforward way to create a GIF using GIMP. This technique is not only fast, but also allows for a lot of creative flexibility. You can experiment with different images, timings, and even additional filters or effects for each layer to truly make your GIF stand out. Thanks for following along, and I hope this quick guide helps you make all the animations you dream of. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more content. See you next time.